Again, insertion sort algorithm. Insertion sort is a simple and intuitive comparison-based sorting algorithm that builds a sorted array by iteratively inserting element into their correct position. So it is again one of the simple algorithm. It is not very efficient algorithm, but yeah, it can work well with the small data set, right? So if we look at this example where we got a list of 7 4 5 2, over here in session sort, just imagine कि okay, the first part, the first element is sorted itself, right? So we have to focus from second element to the last element. Now what we will do, we will check कि okay, 4, we need to put 4 at its right position. So we will check 4 with the 7. So if 7 is bigger than 4, we will swap it, right? So first, in first iteration, what we will get, 4 7 5 2. Now if we look at this array, first half is sorted, 4 and 7 is the right, at the right places. So what they do need to do now, we need to check 5 now. Okay, we need to insert 5 in the right position. So 5 will check itself with the 7. So 7 is bigger than 5, so they will swap. 5 will then check with the 4. 4 is not greater than 5, so means it is at the right position. So after third step, what will be the result? 4 5 7 2, right? Now if we look at the, remove the part of 2, 4 5 7 is in the right, what to say, order, right? Now we will have to check through 2. So 2 will get checked with 7. Okay, 2 is still smaller, it will swap. Then it will swap with 5, then it will swap with the 4 also, because it is the smallest element. So all three elements will shift right to give space to the 2. So the final result will be 2 4 5 7. So we'll try to elaborate that more with that. So if we will need to, put some example like 10 5 80 4, and maybe some other example of 1, right? So if we get an example of 5 element, what we need to do, ki first forget about this. 10 is at its right position, right? It will divide 10 and other parts, right? So we will pick the first element after 10. We will check it with the 10 कि okay, 5 is greater than 10 or not, or 10 is greater than 5 or not. If 10 is greater than 5, we need to swap them. So 5 will come over here, 10 will come over here, then 80, then 4, then 1. Now it will say कि okay, 5 and 10 is at the right position. Now we will check 80. So it will check 80 कि okay, 10 is greater than 80. No, it means there is no need to change anyone. So after this step, 80, 4 and 1. So this is sorted part. Now we will check 4. 4 will check with this. They'll say कि okay, 4 is smaller than 80. So 4 will be here, then 80 will be here. Then 4 will be checked with the 10. Then 10 is again that. So 4 will be here and 10 will be here, right? Then again 4 will be checked with the 5. It will again replace swap. So 4 will be here, 5 will be here. So what is the correct position of 4? So 4 5 10 80 and 1. Now this part of the array is sorted clearly. So 4 5 10 80 and 1 is there. Now we will check 1, because 1 is smaller than this and this, right? So they all will shift to right, and they'll make space for 1. So 1 4 5 10 80. So this will be the last result of insertion sort, and that's the way the insertion sort works. So if we look at the algorithm of insertion sort, it says start with the second element, assuming the first element is already sorted. Compare the current element with its adjacent elements. Uh, compare the element with the adjacent element. If current element is smaller than the adjacent element, means if the current element that we are looking at 5 is smaller than adjacent element, the previous element, right, it will swap, right? So repeat this process until the current element is in the correct position. We have to repeat this position so that the current element will reach at its correct position. Now move on to the next unsorted element. When the one element is sorted, move on to the next element that need to be sorted, and repeat step 2 to 4, 2, 3 and 4 until the entire array is sorted. So this is the algorithm of selection sort. So the logic of selection sort is clear. Can someone confirm?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's make a program. So we will pick out few things from there only. Why to waste my. So we have picked only basic part where we have imported util package. We have given the class name, public static void main starting, and we are taking 10 array input from the user where we are created the object of scanner class. Then we have created array of 10 length or 10 elements. Then we have told the user please enter 10 number. Then we have started the loop from 0 to 9, and we have taken input through scanner class function sc dot next int, and we have took the input of 10 elements from the user. Now there is one thing that we need to do. So we need to print this part before sorting also. Before sorting, where what we need to do, we need to print arr I spaces, and this needs to be here, and you can use what to say backslash n also for the next line in print part. Remove the print ln from here and print ln after the array loop, right? So now before sorting, this will be the result. And now what we need to do, we need to start. So we will always start from the index number 1, means second element of the array, because insertion sort believes कि first part is already sorted. So int whatever you want to name it, I till the time less than 10. 10 is the length of the array. You can use arr length also over there. So I plus plus. So over here you need to took two things. One, key. So in key you need to store arr I and int j is equal to I minus 1, so that you can pick the previous element of key element, right? So now the loop will be, the inner loop will be till the time j is greater than is equal to 0 and arr j is greater than key element, till the time they need to traverse the loop. Where what we need to do, we will do कि okay, swap them arr j plus 1 will be shifting the, will right shifting every element that is agreeing with the condition. Okay, and we need to set j is equal to j minus 1, so that we can shift ourselves to the left side of the list. Okay, we are checking every element in the left side of the loop. After this loop, what we need to do, okay, arr j is broken. After this loop, j is equal to key, and after that what we need to do, okay, so key is stored over there, and arr j is getting minus, then arr j is equal to key. I think it is done. The key is there, then I think yeah. Is there anything missing into it? J key. So J plus 1, okay, that's the only difference that we need to do. And the loop is closed. Now, after the sort program, so the program is done for that. We will save it. So there are few errors while j greater than over here. What we need to do, where the loop, I am doing it as a, it was for loop, so it is a while loop. There is no need to put that semicolon over there. So there is one more error while parsing reached end of the file, where the error is while is started here, ended here, for is started here, ended here. In session sort.java 54. Okay, so public static void main is closed. Then we need to close class file also. Now it is compiled. Let's run it. So enter 10, 40, 50, 4, 3, 2, 80, 66, 44, 33. So after sorting 2, 3, 4, 10, is my voice is audible? Okay. So 2, 3, 4, 10, 33, 40, 44, 50, 66, 80. Then we can see the list is sorted. Is it clear how it is working? And we are also doing one more thing. Okay, let's focus to create flags क्योंकि how iteration is happening. So just pick it up this loop again and enter it after the swapping part in the loop, where you can declare integer z so that it will not clash with the internal I variable. So z is there. Save it. Let's compile it again and let's execute it. So we will put the same number again: 10, 40, 50, 4, 3, 2, 80, 66, 44, 33. So this will be the whole iteration. Okay, how this algorithm is doing its work. So if you look at that 10, 40, 50. So first three element is sorted according to the condition, right? So there is no difference in between. So if you look at the first iteration uh, and the second iteration also, there is no difference. Why? Because 10, 40 and 50 first three elements are there at right position. So now we will start with the 4. Okay, 4 will check with the 50, then 40, then 10, and they all will be swapped and 4 will be at their right position in this list. Okay, then 3 will come, then 3 will be swapped again, then 2 will come, 2 will be swapped again to its right position. Now 80 will come, they will leave it. When 66 come, so what they do after 80, they'll check with the 80 and they swapped it. They know कि okay, what is the right position, right? So 66 will be after 50 and in between 80. Now 44, so 44 will be entered between 40 and 50. So they are checking with 80, 80 will be swapped, then 66 will be swapped, then 50 will be swapped, and 44 will be at the right position. Then chance of 33, so 33 will be reached in between 10 to 40. So all elements will be swapped to right shift, where 33 will be reached at its right position. So that's how this insertion sort is working. क्योंकि they are when treating a key, right? So if you look at the programming part of this, what they are doing, क्योंकि we are taking arr I as a key. So in first time the first element will be the key. We are checking two conditions only. Okay, j will be should be greater than 0. If we will not check this condition, in last class we have what we did, this condition was moved after this end. Okay, so this condition should be first कि okay j is greater than is equal to 0 and ARR j is greater than key. What is the value of ARR j? So ARR j is I minus 1. So I will be 1 and ARR j will be ARR 0, right? So they are checking left side of the list every time, right? So if it is true, then what they'll do, they'll shifting the element one side righter, क्योंकि ARR j will be go to ARR j plus 1. So they'll shift every element on their right side, right? And j is equal to then j minus 1, and till the time the loop is going on, they are shifting every element to the right side. The moment shift will complete, what will happen, because after this there will be j minus 1, so we will set the j plus 1 key, right? So that the right element will be reaching at their right index number, right? So these are the basic things in insertion sort. So these two logics you need to practice it again, क्योंकि we need to you can do it into right shift and even you can do it into reverse also. So I'll suggest क्योंकि when you are doing your practice, do one to the left shift also, क्योंकि how to create a reverse insertion sort.